integer exponents or powers, in this case here, so we have some questions here, but these ones, that's division. So we're going to use the quotient rule that we have here, which is x power m over x power n is equal to x power m minus n. All right? So when we have x power 15 over x power 4 here, so we just got to follow the formula there. Okay? Nothing really more. You just got to go straight at it and then see what's going to happen. So this one is equal to, so we can just continue here. So it's x15. So this one goes up, and then it changes signs to a -4. All right? Because this one now goes up to the numerator, becomes a negative, changes sign, becomes -4. That's actually what happened, the formula there. So we end up with x equals to 11. So it's x power 11. Okay? So that's for the first question. Now the second question, we have a power 21 over a power 26. So for those two, the same thing that we're going to do here. So with the concept stays the same. So we go ahead. So this is a21 minus 26. All right? So it's a21 minus 26. So that would give us what? A -5. All right? So 21 minus 26 is -5. All right? And then we cannot leave this one as your final answer. Remember that? Whenever we're dealing with exponents, our final answer should not have a negative power in there. Okay? We make a positive power. So how do we make a power -5 becoming a positive power? Okay, we dealt with those before, so that's 1. So this one goes down. 1 a power 5. So that's now +5 there. Okay? So there's an invisible one here that is being claimed. So whenever you move the a power -5 down, so the 1 is staying. Okay, so there's like an invisible one here all the time, okay, in front of any variable. So this is what we have for the second question also. Let's go to the third one. So we have 3 now, so the base now is a number. So it's no more x, it's no more a, it's now a number. So it's 3 power 16 over 3 power 19. Same rule applies. So what's happening here? So this is equal to 316 minus 19. All right? And then what do we do? This is equal to 16 minus 19 is -3. Right? So 16 minus 19 is -3. And then remember again, we cannot leave, like how we did it here, a negative power in your final answer. So we have to move it down. So the whole base and the power is the one that is moving. And remember, what do we have left then? That one there, because we're treating the 3 as a base in this case, okay? So because the 3 is a base here, so that becomes 1 over 3 to power +3. Okay? And then we have to calculate 3 to the third power. We do not leave it as that. Ladies and gentlemen, the common mistake that people make is that once we get here, we are so happy about doing so well that we forget that, no, we got to be careful. We still have to continue and then multiply, and then do the operation 3 to the third power, which is going to give us 27 because that is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 by 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 27. So that will give us 1 over 27. And bingo, you are done with that also. Now, last but not least, so this one is going to introduce us to the next level of division, the quotient problems, which is more involved also. So here we have 3x to the 4th over 6, x here. So in this case here, you can always group the like terms. That means what? The numbers here, 3 and 6, we're going to take them as coefficients. So it's 3 over 6, all right? Which is going to give us a half, right? But we're going to see that in a minute. And then, so that is equal to, then let's go at it. So this is equal to, so 3 over 6 is 3 goes into itself once, goes into 6 twice. So that's the reason why you're having 1 over 2. All right? And then we have to deal with x power 4 over x power 1. Again, if there's no number as a power here, that is an invisible one. So we got to follow the rule again there for the powers. So that will give us one. So that would be